If you have a house in Newton Falls, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Newton Falls, and I'm going to explain to you very briefly why so many sellers in Newton Falls prefer to work with us rather than working with a traditional buyer that might need to qualify for a mortgage or qualify for a loan. So first things first, people like us because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't have to do any work whatsoever. You're not coming out of pocket for repairs. You don't got to hire a handyman, go to the Home Depot, or clean anything. You don't got to pull out the broom and the dustpan for us. You don't got to haul anything away. You can take with you anything that you want out of the house. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you can leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. What allows us to buy your house in Newton Falls in its as-is condition is we don't rely on a third-party mortgage. We're a true cash buyer. That's the biggest difference between us and one of these traditional buyers, because with a traditional buyer who's using a loan, well, they're going to send a formal inspector through the house, and they're going to test every outlet and light switch and ceiling fan and open and close all the doors, and they're going to compile pages and pages and pages of everything wrong with the house that can only be used against you to renegotiate or get another extension and just completely waste your time. And if you survive the inspection, it gets worse because now they got to send the appraiser through. The appraiser typically works for their lender or works for their bank, and we know the banks only have their best interests in mind, not your best interests. They can pull the rug out from under this thing at any time, send you back to square one, a giant waste of your time. But it's not just time that's wasted, because in real estate, time is money, because every day that goes by that they're making you jump through hoops and scrutinizing your property and wanting to renegotiate and wasting your time, every day that goes by, you're still paying for the utilities, you're still paying for the insurance and the property taxes, and there's a giant opportunity cost. All of that is avoidable, and this is why we have hundreds and hundreds of reviews of people. We're a direct buyer and we're a cash buyer. You're going to sell as is. So if you have a house in Newton Falls and you want to get a fair cash offer, or if you just want to see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. We're founded in Columbus, but we're very familiar with Newton Falls and working with sellers in the area. So when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about your closing timeline. If you need to close quick or want to close quick, we could accommodate that. Or if you prefer to, create flexibility and do something, set a future date, you tell us when you want to close. That's a huge difference of working with us as a direct buyer rather than a traditional buyer. You tell us when you want to close, not like a traditional buyer where it's up to their lender. Until their lender gives them a green light, there's no closing date even set. It could be very, very cumbersome for you. All of that's avoidable. And if they have a realtor involved and they want you to pay commissions, that's money right out of your bottom line. With us, there's no commissions, no fees. You're going to get a fair price, and you're going to know exactly what you're getting at the closing table. There's no surprises. So if you have a house in Newton Falls and you want to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.